Hello, ako si Eliazar.
Yay! Bye-bye, Pizza Pie!
Good evening, everyone. And I'm presenting you that I budol to my lola, but it's not actually a budol. This Realme Watch 3. So, it has call features, 4.57, large color display, and stylish trendy design. So, we are going to unbox this watch. Here's the charging cable. As you can see, it has a compatible one, but it's not a micro USB like this that I use for my phone. Here's the warranty card and the actual watch. So, yung makikita nyo is yung kulay black siya, pero okay sa akin. Malambot yung strap, then i-ano na natin siya. So, ayan na po siya. Tingnan natin kung magpa-power on. And, I don't know bakit ba yung mga products na to is, pag bumili kayo ng online is, palagi siyang lowbat. So, tingnan natin kung gumagana. Ito po yung power bank, guys, kung makikita nyo. Try natin sa i-charge. Kita nyo kung magnet po siya, magnet. So, ayan po yung logo niya, Realme. Says 0% charge. Lalo na sa mga devices na scam or online order is nag-aano siya, na low palagi po siyang low bat. So, ayan po, gumagana po siya. So, 2% po siya. So, yan po guys. Bye!